Next one is from Susie. And she said, how about using the random dots one at a time versus a line? And that is in reference to one tutorial where, let's make it like this. And the idea was to make holes, or let's make them large. 100, 300, 500, 700, and 900. And the idea was that I needed to use the brush variants, change the position a bit. So can't remember the actual settings. But if I use red here and I'm going to make it smaller, I would have to still go in the middle and one at a time. Let's change this step. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And her question was, why don't I use the function where I can click at the beginning, hold the shift key, and click at the other end. And it would be a great tool to use, except for the fact that the step size is only going up to 200, and 200 means 200% of the size of the brush, meaning that the most spaced my dots can be in this case is every 100 pixels. And if I have my dots here every 200 pixels, it won't work. So if I was to start here, hold my shift key and go at the other end, you can see how I would have too many dots. So you can do that and then try to remove half of them. It's not going to save you time, unfortunately. I wish the step could go any much higher than that. That's one of the suggestions I can do to the development team, but doesn't mean that they are going to listen to me if it's not their priority. So, Susie, you'll still have to go one by one for the dots, unfortunately. Hey there! I hope you found this information useful. If you're curious to dive deeper and explore more about PaintShop Pro, we've got a wealth of resources waiting for you in our membership area. There, you'll find in-depth classes, workshops, Q&A sessions, and much more to help you enhance your PaintShop Pro and digital scrapbooking skills. Feel free to check it out. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the campus.